We'll guide you through how to use Claude Skills effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your account or create one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of options to explore different skills. Click on the Skills tab located at the top navigation bar. This will take you to the Skills Marketplace where you can browse through various skills categorized by functionality. To find a specific skill, use the search bar at the top right. Type in the keyword related to the skill you need and press enter. You'll see a list of relevant skills displayed. Click on the skill you're interested in to view more details about it. This includes a description, user reviews, and any prerequisites. If the skill meets your needs, click the Activate button. You may need to authorize the skill to access certain data or perform specific actions on your behalf. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete this process. Once activated, the skill will appear in your dashboard under My Skills. To use the skill, click on it and follow the instructions provided. Some skills require input or configuration before they can be used effectively, so make sure to read through any setup guides or FAQs that are available. You can also adjust settings for each skill by clicking on the settings icon next to it. This is especially useful if you need to customize how a skill operates or integrates with other services. To deactivate a skill, simply go back to My Skills, find the skill you want to turn off, and click the Deactivate button. This can be handy if you no longer need the skill or if you want to reduce clutter on your dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.